a load of round bales of beautiful hay, and I have another load of round bales that I'm already spoken for already. So I'm going to calculate out on how long this is going to last me, and I also have I think a third load of hay that I can buy if I need it. I just have to tell the guy that I'm buying hay from. I've got a couple different people lined up, but I got super lucky on finding the hay that I did on short notice of this quality with the way hay was this year. But I'm going to get this phone put back in my pocket. It's getting completely saturated with snow melting and stuff on it.